Good morning, everybody. 8 a.m.s are a scam, and that's on, I don't know. This is a rough clip. Hey Siri, what's the temperature outside?
It's 45 degrees outside.
Oh, great. Good morning, everyone. How are we doing? It's currently like 7:30. I usually leave for class at like 7:20ish. But you know, I hope this is gonna stay on okay. You know, it's fine. It's not gonna be perfect every day. We have to accept our mistakes. And keep it moving. It's 7:30 literally exactly. So I'm leaving on time technically. Also, you can't see my windows because it's so foggy out. So there's that. Do I need to see out of my windows though? Sometimes you just gotta risk it for the biscuit. I have a tripod now for my vlog camera, so I'm not holding the camera and driving and almost killing myself like I had before in the past. So yeah, I need to put my necklaces on. Hi guys, so the camera could very possibly be extremely shaky right now. I'm really not sure. I'm about to get on the highway, so I'm about to be going like actually kind of fast. So we're just gonna see how this goes. If not, you won't see this footage and I'll just edit it and cry and be upset that I lost this content. But today's gonna be a great day. You know what's gonna be a great day? Because my iPad and my Apple Pencil come in today, guys. I finally caved and I bought one. Pro tip, if any of you guys have a Costco near you, have a membership, always look at their deals because they had an iPad on sale, right? And with the sale and with the money I had saved up for it, another tip, get the Digit app because I saved like $200 and I had no idea that I did that. It's great because people like me who are stupid and don't really pay attention to things, you save a whole bunch of money without even realizing it. So it was great. It really just worked out in my favor. Oh, thank God this truck is not going on the highway because they're going so slow. Oh, but I'm about to hit a pothole. This is embarrassing. But yeah, I'm getting an iPad today, which I'm so excited for because I've literally wanted an iPad since I was like 8 years old. So this is gonna be a great day. I am so excited. I literally haven't been able to like sleep the past few days because I'm so excited about it. Oh God, I have to merge. Okay. But it's just a great time. Also, unpopular opinion. I know most YouTubers under the age of like 24 really romanticize and worship iced coffee. But I think, and hear me out, hot coffee slaps just as well if you make it right, okay? Especially in the morning time. Wow, I'm glowing. I wish you could see my hair. Possible thumbnail. That guy just watched me do that. That's embarrassing. Anyways, hot coffee really slaps. And I think it's slept on, especially in the YouTube community, but especially with any YouTuber under the age of like 24. I feel like everybody's like, iced coffee all the time. And iced coffee is great. Like, you guys know I love it. But there's something different about a hot coffee, especially on a winter morning. Really hits different. Really wakes you up in a different way. You know what I mean? The only thing that sucks though about my hot coffee is like on my 8 a.m. days, since it's like a lab class, we can't have our drinks in class with us. So if I literally don't like get up, first of all, let's calm down. So like if I don't get up and walk out of class every 5 minutes to drink my hot coffee, it gets cold. But today I was really feeling the hot coffee moment. Like if I knew if I would have made iced coffee, like iced coffee is more of like an afternoon vibe, but the hot coffee really just gets the morning vibe. You know what, I just want to take this time. I want to take this time to apologize because listen guys, this semester has just been really rough for me and I have not filmed very consistently. Like the month of February I maybe posted once, twice. I apologize for that. But you know, last semester I only had classes 2 days a week and yeah, my classes were like kind of all day, but they were only 2 days a week. But this semester I have classes 4 days a week. So last semester I took bio because I took bio in high school. I took AP bio senior year of high school and I didn't get a good grade on the exam. Shout out to AP. Shout out to College Board for wasting my time. It's fine. But yeah, so I think I only got like a 2 in the exam. I don't care to tell people because it's real and people don't always get 4s and 5s. It's fine. Yeah, I got a 2 in the exam. My community college isn't accepted to, so I had to take bio again, pretty much is the moral of the story. So But last semester, the thing is like I just had taken AP Bio for a whole year before last semester, so like I didn't really need to do homework or stuff. Well, we didn't have any homework is the thing. Our professor was really chill, so we didn't have homework, and I never needed to study because it was all stuff we learned in AP Bio, and an AP class is harder than like a regular college class, you know what I mean? Because they didn't have any honors bio classes at the community college that I can put in my schedule, so I was like, forget it, who cares? So yeah, so I really rarely needed to study because the stuff that I'd been learning for at least a year, and some of it was stuff I learned from bio, which was like sophomore year, so really there wasn't that much for me to study. But this semester I'm in anatomy and physiology, which if you guys aren't like medical majors or anything like that, you're learning like the functions of the body and also the structure of the body at the same time. And it is a very condensed course. We're currently doing bones, which isn't too bad. It's just it takes a lot of time to study and repetition, and I'm a very visual person. Like I wish I could just like remember a list and that's it. But like I need to have diagrams, I need to have like pictures in my mind, and use colors. That's why I'm so excited for my iPad to come in, because it's gonna be a game changer when it comes to studying for A&P. Like y'all, y'all are not ready. My grades aren't ready, like, cause I haven't been doing too well on the tests in that class. And it's all about like a learning curve about how you take your tests. So I can't wait for my iPad to come in to help me study and be really good, because I really need to get good in this next exam. Alright guys, so I'm back from class now. I had been missing my binder for like a week, and apparently I left it in my class. But it had all my stuff, my lab notebook and all this stuff in it. Literally like my entire 2 like heavier courses, all the stuff for it was in that binder. And I thought somebody stole it because I could not find it anywhere. It turns out it was in my lab class. I guess somebody turned it in, so I don't know where it was. I thought somebody stole it because I literally could not find it anywhere. It was traumatic. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get there, because I don't know, I feel like I filmed enough clips in the car for today. So this is why I love Amazon, because they be hiding your packages. Look at that. It's efficient. Okay, it doesn't look like that hidden, but like from the street, that's why I love them. All right, I'm about to open the package right now. I'm so excited. Like, I will not tell you about this. So basically, Apple pencils are like $100, and for the iPad, like the edition of iPad I'm getting, I can't use the brand new, like the Apple Pencil Generation 2, so I got the Generation 1. I originally was not gonna get an Apple Pencil though, because they're like $100, and there's definitely plenty of like not knockoffs, but like equivalent dupes, I guess you could say, for Apple Pencils. But the only thing is that none of the dupes, there's like one that's like $75 and one that's like $60, like the 2 like most popular like dupes. They don't have the pressure sensitivity, and for somebody like me, I love doing calligraphy and stuff, and like that's literally like 50% of what I would be doing with the Apple Pencil. So for me, I thought it was worth it to just pay the extra price to get the Apple one. And I got this one off Amazon. It's like a resale one or whatever. I got it off Amazon. It was, I think it was like $72 instead of paying the $99 for a brand new one, because I don't need a brand new one. Like, it's not that deep. And it comes in the original packaging, so hopefully it's not like damaged or anything, but it looks pretty legit to me. Like, but I just want to open it because I'm so impatient, because I don't know when my iPad's getting here. It's probably going to come while I'm babysitting, which is kind of annoying. But it said, but I chose this one because the other one that they had on the Amazon site, it said the original packaging was damaged, so I didn't want to get the damaged packaging one. But like, this one's pretty legit. It has the plastic cover on it too. Like, maybe package is really nice. So excited, oh my gosh. And I want to check and see if like it comes with the original tips and everything too, or no. Oh wow, so it came with like a little charging piece, and then it come with an extra tip also. So that's pretty legit. I've never got anything off Amazon like the second hand or like used before, but this is in pretty good condition, so I guess I got lucky. Okay, so On the way home, I really wanted to get this sandwich from Panera. It is the toasted Tuscan grilled chicken. It has chicken, grated Parmesan, fresh mozzarella, arugula, tomato, and basil on it. It's so good. I'm gonna see if I can make it myself, okay? I'm trying to make this, and I'll show you guys the results. All right, guys, so listen. This is my best attempt, okay? It looks pretty good. I don't know how it's gonna taste. So I have bread with a little bit of mayo on it, and we don't have basil, so I just put the Parmesan with the mayo and mixed it around to make it like thicker. There's spinach, there's shredded chicken, there's a little bit of salsa because we don't have any tomatoes, and then there's some mozzarella on it with some extra spinach. So I think we're gonna try this. It should be good. Okay, you know what? That's not bad. It doesn't taste like the Panera one. It tastes like a McDonald's version or like a Walmart version, but so this is like a really random meal. So I'm gonna eat this sandwich. I've oddly been in the mood for potato chips lately. I haven't had like wavy like Lay's chips in so long, but it's not too many calories. It's really not that bad because they're just the plain ones. But having some of these, and then I also I have this coconut milk yogurt that I love. I mean, it's like almost gone. There's not even like a bowl left of it. Like if I got out a bowl and poured it in there, it wouldn't even be worth it to do that. So I'm just gonna eat it out of the container. But yeah. This is my lunch. So we're just gonna go eat that, and then I'll talk to you guys when I'm done eating because I do have to leave to go babysit soon. So. Hey guys, so I was editing this video and there was a whole segment of me making my Holy Grail iced coffee recipe from home. But then the footage is corrupt and it's not working in the video for some reason, so I'm just gonna take it out. But if you guys want to see my Holy Grail iced coffee recipe, comment down below that you want to see it, okay? And then I'll show you in my next video, okay? So, boom, there you go. Enjoy the rest of the video. If you're still watching this, thank you. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave to babysit. I will see you guys at 6:30. I'm not gonna bring my camera because I just don't like filming when I'm there because first of all, kids move quick and they get into stuff really quickly, so I don't want to be distracted like trying to film or something, and also they're not my kids, so I don't want to film them. So I'll see you guys later. All right, guys, so my iPad, it came in the mail, so I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys everything. So yeah, roll clips. Because I love these videos. So first I'll start off with the accessories that I got. Everything I can list it down below for you guys. So the first thing I got was this matte screen protector. It's from the brand iCares. It's like a matte one, so it's gonna feel like I'm writing on paper. And it was like $20 cheaper than the paper-like one, which is literally the same thing. So that's kind of an L. But it's originally $29.99. I got it on Amazon for like $8. But I'm glad I found this one because this was a really good deal. The next accessory I got was this case from the brand Finite. It's just this pink one. Literally, this is my favorite color, if y'all didn't know. The back of my phone's this color. Like, everything in my life is this color, so I thought I'd get this case. It has a little bending thing, and then it has a little Apple Pencil holder in it, which is really nice. I was gonna get a keyboard case, but those were just a little bit expensive, and I'm already spending a lot of money on like the accessories and stuff, so I feel like I'll buy that at a later purchase. And plus I have a MacBook, so I don't really need the keyboard case, you know what I mean? So it's nice to have, definitely. I might get it in the future for like when I go on vacation. I don't want to take my big computer with me. I can just take the take my iPad. Yeah, this is the case I got, and it's a little clear in the back, so you can still see the pink. Well, I guess it's the gold color of the iPad. So yeah, these are the two big accessories I got. It's used, but it literally is brand new. I opened it early and I charged it, and this is how it looks. Last thing that I got is the iPad, of course. This is the 10.2 7th generation iPad. This is the one in gold because it looks pink. And yeah, it's super pretty. I love Apple's packaging. It's 32 gigabyte. Yeah, that's everything you need to know. So Wi-Fi version. So yeah, I got it from Costco on sale. But they're pretty much on sale everywhere, not just at Costco, but I have a Costco membership. That's why I found out about it. But yeah, I'm super duper excited. So let's go ahead and open this up. And also, I just want to say that I'm not trying to brag or anything. I work really hard. I'm literally always at work. Anybody who knows me knows I'm always at work or something. So, and this is going to be such a good like investment for school because I'm about to go to nursing school next year. And also, I'm taking all my community college credits like at an accelerated pace. So it's really going to help me to have something that I can study with because y'all, my backpack is literally so heavy. This is probably so cringy me opening it like this, but I don't know how else to open it. But yeah, this is going to help me so much with studying and everything. I'm just so excited. And I've literally been wanting an iPad since I was like, I can't even tell you how long I wanted one. So yeah, and I also have been saving up for it too. So that's all with my own money. I'm not like, you know, not daddy's money. It's mine. As you can see, I'm a big fan of Apple, you know. So if I could open this box, that'd be great. Cue the angels singing. gosh, she's so beautiful. Look at her. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys, that is so pretty. I don't, first of all though, why do they call this gold? It's definitely not gold, but okay. Definitely rose gold, but okay, Apple. I've been waiting for this moment for so long. Oh, you could see me in it. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't believe this. This is crazy. This has literally been the only thing keeping me going this past week. Like, just the fact that I am getting this. I'm so excited. Let's do English. Okay, let me set this up really quick and then I'll pop back in. Alright, guys, everything's all set up now. Also, this thing is like so big. It's literally bigger than my hand. I wasn't expecting that. I don't know why. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the case on it. Guys, I'm so excited. Like, y'all don't even understand. Bro, that, like, it just is great. Oh, actually, let me put the screen protector on first. Alright, guys, it definitely took way too long, but there's still air bubbles in it, but I don't even care because that just took so long. Guys, I just peeled it off. You're lying. I just took so long for you to put it on.
You're fucking lying. Let me see.
Look, as you can see. Oh my god, you can see all the air bubbles. I'm gonna cry. But look how matte it is. That is so beautiful. Okay, guys, so all I'm gonna do for the rest of the night is pretty much study and play with my iPad. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, if you liked hearing me rant and ramble. Again, I apologize for the fact that there's not been a lot of videos the last month. It was just a really kind of rough time. There was just a lot going on. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, if you guys want me to do iPad videos or anything like that, definitely comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.